Testing, testing. I wonder if this are we hearing me? If you are hearing the audio, send me a message. Let me know. Just had to switch from meeting and the audio went down. Are we getting any audio at all? Audio at all? Yes, we are. All right. So for the majority of the day, this stream was running. I took a win this morning. I took a small loss on the ES, and then exactly what I wanted it to do, it did. So I still held on to the NQ and saved one contract to enter long. When we came down here, was about to take this position, and then just wanted to wait for confirmation. And I mean, I didn't take the position. That was my bad. So where we at now is I am looking for a continuation going up. Trading this because on the on Plex, the algo, we have a long using the 1 bar IBS strategy. So I took that, bias long, even though the market was short. And then what we had this, what do you call it? Some people call it mother candle. Some people call it, is the next word this guy calls it, boy? There's a guy on YouTube that calls it a specific name. He has a strategy for Nasdaq. So we have this inside bar, and all these candles for the most part was inside the inside bar. This orange line and this orange line here, we broke out to the downside. When I saw that breakout, I was like, this probably one of those fake outs because the bias was long. So I held on to it, and I mean, we kind of going back up now. So once we get to the top of this line, I'm assuming that we would have some resistance there, which is at this point. At that point, I'd wait for a pullback, and if I get a continuation signal, I would go long again and load up my second contract. At the moment, the account up to, well, floating balances 612. We took a small loss here. You can see so far for the day we're down $54, but this win here would kind of make up for that. So we're just holding on and seeing where we go. I mean, I could try to take another long position here. One of my biggest problems I realize with futures is I trying to trade futures the way I would trade on my normal account, which is more swing trading. So when I take a position, like I was up for the day already. I took the position and we went up here. But in my head, I still traded it as if it was my personal account. And I normally hold positions for hours. So, looking out for the Zoom link at 10. I will need to jump off there for a bit because I have another meeting at 10. I would hold the position. I would get back live at the end of the day. We come back on. We'll see what happens. Once we have a break above this, I think I'll be taking another long for sure. All right. Oh shit. Right, we just had Justin Plex in the background here for the on the VPS. We close that one there. All right, so Plex long on my personal account, which is if we switch. Where is it? I can't even find it. Yeah, Plex is long on this account. We still hold in there. This is the account that it runs on. So for right now, we'll just be holding on this position here, and once we get a break and a close above this point, then we break close, we look for a pullback, and then we take another long position to continue in the direction that we assuming that we would go. So I am jumping into a meeting now, and I would get back probably later on.